Welcome to Food Heals AI. Today we are talking about real health struggles that millions of people face every single day. Low energy, belly fat, poor sleep, stress, weak immunity. The list goes on. Good news is that nature has already given us powerful foods that can solve these problems naturally, without expensive supplements or complicated diets. In this video, I'll show you 10 common problems people face, explain why they happen, and reveal the natural food solutions that can transform your health in just a few days. Stay with me until the end, because you'll get a clear path to feel lighter, stronger, and more confident in your body. Let's get started. We all know the feeling: waking up tired, struggling through the day, and relying on coffee or sugar for a quick boost. But these only give temporary energy and lead to crashes. One of the best natural solutions is bananas. Bananas are packed with natural sugars, potassium, and fiber. Unlike refined sugar, the energy from bananas is released slowly, keeping you active for hours. People who start their morning with 1 or 2 bananas often report feeling more alert, focused, and ready to tackle their day without the afternoon slump. Bloating, heaviness after meals, and irregular digestion are common problems today. They often come from processed foods, overeating, or lack of digestive enzymes. In papaya is nature's solution. It contains papain, a special enzyme that helps break down proteins and supports smooth digestion. Eating papaya regularly not only reduces bloating but also makes your stomach feel light and comfortable. Within a week, many notice improved digestion and less discomfort after meals. Modern life brings constant stress, deadlines, and pressure. Too much stress affects sleep, hormones, and even weight. And green tea offers a calming solution. It contains L-theanine, an amino acid that relaxes the mind without making you sleepy. Combined with mild caffeine, it helps improve focus and reduces anxiety. People who drink green tea daily often feel calmer, more balanced, and better able to handle challenges without stress taking over. Stubborn belly fat is one of the hardest things to lose. It's not just about looks, it's also linked to heart disease and diabetes. One natural fat burner is ginger. Ginger increases body temperature slightly, which helps your body burn calories faster. It also improves digestion and reduces inflammation. And when added to tea or meals daily, ginger can support steady fat loss, especially around the belly, while also giving a boost of natural energy. Catching colds often, feeling weak, or struggling to recover from illness are signs of a weak immune system, and garlic is one of the oldest and most trusted natural medicines. It contains allicin, a compound that fights bacteria, viruses, and strengthens your body's defenses. Adding garlic to your meals or eating it raw helps build resilience. Many people notice fewer colds and overall stronger immunity when garlic becomes a daily habit. Good sleep is essential for health, but millions struggle with insomnia, restless nights, or waking up tired. And turmeric milk, also called golden milk, is a traditional remedy. Turmeric reduces inflammation and relaxes the body, while warm milk naturally supports better sleep. Drinking golden milk before bed helps the body calm down, leading to deeper, more refreshing sleep and better recovery overnight. Dull skin, acne, or dryness often come from dehydration and lack of nutrients. And cucumber is the ultimate skin food. It is made up of over 90% water and is full of vitamins and antioxidants. Regular cucumber intake hydrates the skin, clears toxins, and restores a natural glow. People often notice clearer, fresher skin within weeks. High blood pressure is called the silent killer because it develops slowly and often without symptoms. Oats are a powerful food for the heart. They contain beta-glucan, a type of fiber that reduces cholesterol and improves blood circulation. Eating oats regularly can lower blood pressure, protect your heart, and give lasting energy throughout the day. Constant snacking and junk cravings make weight loss difficult. And nuts, like almonds and peanuts, provide protein and healthy fats that keep you satisfied longer. Replacing junk snacks with a small handful of nuts helps control appetite and prevents overeating, making weight management easier and healthier. Joint stiffness, back pain, and inflammation are common, especially with age or lack of activity. And turmeric is one of the best natural anti-inflammatories. Its active compound, curcumin, reduces swelling and pain in the joints. Daily turmeric use can improve flexibility, reduce discomfort, and support long-term joint health. These are 10 common problems, and they're simple, natural solutions. You don't need expensive pills or complicated diets. Nature already provides what your body needs. Start by adding even one of these foods into your daily life and watch your body transform. For more natural health tips and step-by-step food challenges, subscribe to FoodHealsAI. Your health is your true wealth. Stay strong, stay natural, and I'll see you in the next video.